A good harvest deserves a great reward, and nothing is more rewarding than tasty corn. Let's go over a quick and simple way of grilling corn on the cob. Begin by preheating your ASMOKE grill to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's happening, let's make the butter mix. We're going to mix that softened butter with some salt, black pepper, and paprika. Using a pastry brush, lather the butter mix on each cob. Tear off 1-foot sections of aluminum foil for each of the corn cobs and wrap them up tightly. Place the wrapped cobs on the grill for 25 to 30 minutes, rotating every 5 to 10 minutes. And there you have it, a classic dish to spruce up your barbecue. ASMOKE. We put flavors first.